When we talk about AI, we have predominantly two types or three types of generative models, if you want to talk about it really simply. When you want to generate something entirely new, such as an image or a video from basically nothing, you can either input a text or an already existing media. So you can have, for example, text to image, which is so far what we've been showing you. I can ask it, I want an image of a 250-meter high hand statue by the sea, and it will generate it to me. It's generating an image from my text. I can also use image to video. There are some apps such as Runway, for example, that allow you to generate image video from text. But here we're mostly talking about images. And you can also have image to image, or video to video, or image to video. Forget about video right now. I shouldn't have talked about it. You can also have image to image, which means I'm starting with an image that already exists, either a real image, a drawing, or an AI generated image that's ready, and I'm going to do something to it. I'm giving some command on how to alter it for the AI to generate another similar image. So what I could do with an image like this one, for example, is tell the AI,